Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And how to download the brother DCP-J125 printer driver and download and installations. Okay, so very simple. Open any browser in Google search box to type like that, and after that click on the support and brother. So click on it. Then this is official website actually. Yeah. Then Linux also there, Windows also there. So Windows and other Windows 32, 64 server also 19 is there. So other operating system installation process also same. Yeah. Then click to OK. Yeah. So this is a printer scanner local connections. Yeah. Click on it. After this click, you can see the agree. Okay, for downloading. Yeah. And click to download. If it will start downloading, it will take it is installed very fast. Yeah. Okay. Then click to this icon. Okay. Then right click, copy, minimize everything. I am giving this very easy method to install. Okay. Yeah. Then paste it. Okay. Then again right click to open. Okay. Click on the compress on this locations. It detect might be same locations. You can see this create the folder. Okay. Then click to start and go to setting. Yeah. Then yeah, Bluetooth and device, and then printer and scanner. Click on it. After that, click on the add device, and after you click add device, it will show the manual option after 5 seconds, like that. Then click on the manual. Then last options. This is the printer. Add to manual setting. Yeah. Select this and next. Yeah. By default, use the sport one and next. Okay, then click to have disk, browse. Okay, which file we have created earlier, this is ing, open it and select this inf file. Okay, first one, and then click to open. After that click to yes. Okay, sorry. And now you have to find L125 printer. Okay, then next. Now this is installing, but connect your printer before you install your printer and printer to your desktop laptop, and then next finish. Now so your printer is installed, you can see this is and now which is your connected desktop and laptop to printer via USB cable. So both have to restart your printer and your system also, then restart and then check it. Okay, yeah, thank you, but your restart mandatory. Okay.